Welcome back, everyone. Today we're going to do turkey breast, my first one, boneless, 4-pounder. Basically just took the skin off, rubbed it down with my salt pepper rub, a couple extra things in there, both sides, no injection. I've never done one, always wanted to try one, so I'm going to try one today. So stay tuned, see how it comes out. All right, just put her on the pit's at about 270 right now. Right in the center, put the little bit, the fatter part of the breast towards your heat source to protect it a little bit, and close it up and take a look back in an hour. Stay tuned. Today we're running pretty much the usual hickory and cherry. Nice fire going there. Pit's at about 275. About a half hour in, I'm just gonna take a quick peek. It's already getting some nice color. Nice smoke rolling. Obviously drop down, open it, but 267 there. I want to stay between 250, 275, and meat's at about 80. Still got a little ways to go. Hour in, getting really nice color. I'm gonna baste with a little bit of unsalted butter. I want to do that after the bark starts to set a little bit, so you're not taking any bark off, or very little. So it'll give it a nice flavor on top of all the stuff in the rub. Color too. You can see the rub stays in place pretty good. You lose a little bit, but not much. And this, give it a nice flavor, nice color as it cooks. We'll do another baste. Just gonna kind of dump that over. Just brush it on. Color is really getting to look amazing. Probably have another hour. All right, so we're about 2.5 hours in. Turkey's looking fantastic. Gonna make sandwiches, so I just threw some bacon in here. Gonna cook that up. Turkey's at about 158 internal. I'm gonna take it to like right around just under 165, let it rest and finish, and then slice it up. All right, just pulled it off. Right around 165 internal. Gonna rest it for 10 minutes. Get the sandwiches ready. And that was the bacon that was on the smoker too. Gonna be using a brand new Dalstrong Gladiator series slicing knife. Came out nice and juicy. It's time to make some sandwiches. Here's the finished product. Got the smoked turkey, tomato, bacon, Kaiser roll, top with some mayo. Perfect.